Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat, and today I'm going to show you where to find and how to change your coil on your 1.4 liter Turbo Ecotec motor. Okay, so before we get into this, I recently just changed my coil on my car, and my whole reasoning for that was one day we just randomly got a service Stabilitrac, service traction control, and the check engine light flashing. And looking it up, the two main things that I seen could be one, the ground wire to the battery being bad, or two, the coil pack. Those were the two most common things on these cars. And looking, the ground wire looked fine to me, so I went ahead and took a look at the coil, and it was actually cracked, and it had been raining that day, so we're kind of assuming between it being cracked and water getting up in there, it kind of shorted it out. And yeah, so it's actually a really easy fix, really easy part to find, and all you really need is a T30 bit to get two screws out, and just like that. Okay, so under the hood, like I said, this is really easy to find. You've got your little Ecotec little cover right here. You can lift right from the side. It just snaps on there. Pop that off, and right here is your coil. So literally all you have is 1, 2 bolts, and then you'll need to take off this electrical connection right here, which you'll have to push out somehow with either fingernail, if you can, just like that. Pull that little purple piece out, and then you can push down, wiggle it out. So then I will use that T30 Torx bit to take these two out. Okay, now this is kind of suctioned onto your spark plugs, so you might have to wiggle it a little bit. It's easy to kind of grab right at the back here where that electrical connection is made, and just wiggle. Just like that, you've popped it out. So that's how easy it is to swap these out. Like I said, it's, from what I've seen, kind of a common issue when it comes to the, if you have the service Stabilitrac, service traction control, and the check engine light flashing, this is probably one of the first places to check, besides that ground wire, like I said. But yeah, to replace it, you literally just pop it back on there. You'll hear it kind of suction on to the spark plugs. Put those 2 bolts back in, put your little electrical connection in, and you're good to go. It's honestly a really simple thing to replace. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this back on. I will leave a link down below where you can find these. I ended up paying $160 at a local auto parts store because I just needed it right then. but you can find it for quite a bit cheaper. So like I said, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. But if this video helped you, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.